Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Credit Repair Company. I want to show you this particular file. He came in with a lot of late charge-offs and collection accounts. So that was his score around January. So let's take a look what happened a month later. Let's say February. Most of the items got removed. As you can see, zero collections on Experian, and we were still working on Equifax and TransUnion, but the score on Experian went up to 658, as you can see. So let's see what happens in March, which is March 27th, which is today. So as you can see, no more collections at all. Most of the charge-offs and lates got removed, but you know what happened? The client got a recent late on Experian, and it dragged his score down, I would say about 80 points. Look at this. This is the mortgage late. One late payment cost him about 70 points. So instead of being at instead of being at around 720, he's back to 580, which is crazy. So if you are doing credit repair, do not be late on your existing accounts. That's pretty much the moral of this story. But once again, look, this is collections and negatives as of March. And one more time, I'll show you January results. That's when the file just came in. Look, do you see the huge difference? Yep. Anyways, if you have any questions regarding credit repair, you know who to call, or just send us an email, or just reply to this video. Thank you.